Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking sausage rolls. These are a simple version that are a great snack, lunch, or cut up small for parties. To start, you'll need 1 kilo or 1 pound of beef mince. You can use pork or chicken mince, the choice is yours. To this, add half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, finally half a tablespoon of onion powder. Mix into the mince. Feel free to play around with the flavours. For example, you could change the rosemary for sage. Once fully combined, set to one side. I'm a celiac, so I'm using this great gluten-free puff pastry. If you're not a celiac, just use normal puff pastry. Flour your bench before rolling out the pastry. Turn and roll the other way. Continue until it's about half a centimetre thick. Cut down the middle, this will give us enough for 4 sausage rolls. Trim the edges, making sure they're squared. Mould half of the mince into a sausage the length of the pastry. Place about 2 centimeters from the edge and start to roll the pastry around the sausage. Roll until there's a flat edge on the bottom. And neaten them up by cutting off the ends. Repeat with the other half of the pastry. Slice in half, making 4 sausage rolls. Transfer to a tray lined with baking paper. In a bowl, crack 1 egg before whisking with a fork. Using a fork, poke some air holes 1 centimeter apart along the top of the sausage rolls. To give the sausage rolls a beautiful golden crust, brush with the egg wash. Place in an oven set to 390 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for 20 minutes. These are looking good. There you have it, simple sausage rolls. These are crunchy and delicious. Feel free to change and customize the flavors to your liking. Let me know down in the comments what flavors you like in your sausage rolls. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.